Welcome to Jobscan. My name is Sydney, and I'm going to show you how to use Jobscan to optimize your resume. First, what do I mean by optimization? Well, most companies use software known as applicant tracking systems, or ATS, to organize and filter job candidates. This means that a hiring manager might not look at every resume that gets submitted. Instead, they can use an ATS to search for candidates by keywords, skills, or other important factors. If you're applying through an online job board, you're applying through an ATS, and optimizing your resume is critical to your success. This is the Jobscan resume scanning tool. To get started, enter your resume and the job description for the job you're applying for. You can upload your resume file or paste in the text. Next, paste in the job description. Click Scan. This is the match report. It shows the match rate for this specific job. Don't worry if this number is low to start out. Jobscan will help you optimize your resume for a higher match rate. We recommend a match rate of 75% or higher. To ensure that you're getting tailored advice, add the URL from the company website for the job you're applying for. The Jobscan system will automatically detect which ATS that company is using and give you guidance on how to optimize your resume accordingly. Improve your score by addressing as many red X's as possible. The Jobscan tool mimics an ATS, so if it can't read your contact info, dates, or education, that means an ATS won't be able to either. If you're not sure why your resume text isn't being properly read by the system, view the formatting tips and make sure you aren't using any unapproved features. You can also use our free resume builder to build a resume that's optimized for any ATS in minutes. Back on the match report, you'll see tailored tips based on your resume and which ATS you're applying through, like hard and soft skills, experience, measurable results, formatting, and more. To create an optimized resume, include as many hard and soft skills as you can based on your experience. That way, if a recruiter filters resumes by a skill that's important to them, your resume will show up in the search results. After you've made changes to your resume, click Upload and Rescan on the left sidebar to upload your updated resume and see your score increase. If you're a premium user, you can use the Power Edit feature to see your match rate improve in real time without having to upload and scan a new resume file. I'll show you how to use that feature in another video. Continue this process until your resume is sufficiently optimized. Optimize your resume to get more interviews. Get started for free today at jobscan.co.